Two Pawi on the well, a few, about four. But sure, I know one near the closest one here on this video here. Look, one flying. Oh gosh, we're going with that far. Look at flying, so right. This locust huge. It's like the size of my hand. Look, my finger right here. And what you said is this? No, I'm afraid to put my finger away. It's huge. Oh gosh. Yeah, so early the next morning, Kyle, we taking a walk on the beach to see how the beach looking. Beach empty right now, but the water nice, looking real nice. So we're gonna take a walk by the river and scope out the river. Rocking fishing, boys, in Grande Riviere. Hunter walking on the beach here with the crutches. We go watch the river and see the river looking. Alright, so I've come with Nathan and Carl. We come back to this spot this morning. They're now throwing out. We saw the trapper set across there. They still had to go. The river come up a little bit because rain falling. So the river a little bit higher. The rain now easing up. But we seeing some little fish, some nice little bush and pag. So we gotta try and see if we can catch any. And they had to swim across the river just now and go for the trap. Alright, to swim just now? I feel the better thing is the small crayfish all I catch.
I know, because they're told this noises.
We come in Grande Riviere here, and them guys and them come here. All I see, yeah. So we now come and buy two fish here, a salmon and a curry. And Tyrese here, we have Tyrese here cutting it up here.
Now, but the selfish bully, no bully?
Right here in Grande Riviere here, the beach right here. Oop. Yeah. Oh, it's our egg? Yeah, if we could save the egg, we will keep it. Oh. Yeah, that's very nice. So Nathan making a fresh broth this morning. So he cutting up the okra and he had the pumpkin already. And boiling the water. Making two separate fish broth, one with slices and one with the fish head. We boil in the green fig separate because it does normally stick up on your hand. So we just boil it so it's easier to peel. And we had the fish here. We went previously yesterday we went and bought some nice, very nice carrot and some salmon. And we're gonna make the fish broth here in Grande Riviere. So you gotta throw in the okra and the pumpkin out to boil a little bit. Well, let's see about our fish broth you're making here. You feel it tastes good? You're making one like we make down the islands? Alright. So half in this pot here, we're making two separate pots. Don't let it touch the pot, it'll burn the pot. Take it out with your hand now, Nathan. You can put more in this pot because this is the bigger pot. Right, and put the rest in the next pot. You can empty out that one. Just empty it out now. That pot not on the arm. Right. went down by the and found a nutmeg tree. So you can't pick it from the tree, you have to pick it up from the ground. Yeah, and then you have to open it up and crack it and you're getting nutmeg inside.
We just went down there and we found cocoa, oranges, mango. Well, not mango. We found patillas, original rot, so we just eat it.
Alright. And Ethan got through the provision in the fish broth now. Throw half in this pot here. It's kind of hot though. It's hot if you want to touch it and see. Can I help you? Alright, I'll help him with this one. And the potato over there. Some potato over here. Right. You want to put it separated one time, no? Put some in our bowl. Put the bowl. Right. And I'm going to throw in this pot here. Careful with hot water. And throw in this set here. Alright. And let that boil for about 15-20 minutes. So it's coming along good. Well, this one I really started boil yet, and then we had the fish broth coming, the fish here. So in about 15-20 minutes time, the fish broth should finish. Right, so Nathan pinning the fish and the fish broth now. Some nice slices here, curry. Real nice and fresh. Wait over there, yeah, that's going now.
One time in Bolin, on top there are some big houses, they built up on top of it. But Sambuco, and there were some, God, what houses, private houses? Private though.
So Nathan pinning the fish there.
Right, yeah.
And it just about 5 minutes and it's done. And we go taste it and see how it tastes. Right, so Nathan now take out them fellas like the fish eye. So you ask for the piece of the salmon fish head. Now take out the food and you go taste it and see what it tastes like.
What is it, Nathan?
Good.
Good alone?
For pepper?
And listen out pepper.
You missing pepper?
Yeah.
And what you like about it? What good about it?
Everything.
Alright.
Everybody see? Everybody follow me now?
And Carl over there, he fishing over the counter. He practicing fishing. He train on the line down there and he catching fish. A flower fish he catch. Missing anything again? Nice?
Better than ice.
Which one was better? This one or down the islands one? Kyle, now find a... What kind of tree is this, Kyle? You go see any good ones? Look at purple one here, Kyle. Look, take this one here. Serious. Small, but roll it and show them. You gotta roll it.
Roll it?
Yeah, just roll it to get soap. You know that?
No. Ants nest.
Yeah, big ants nest. Roll it. Like termite.
Yeah, why don't pick on the tree?
Just roll it until it gets soft.
This one not good down hanging.
You get soft?
Yeah.
Right, and what is it?
Delicious.
Okay. Where are we going now?
You're going in the river.
To bed?
Yeah.
So we take a stop by Shark River. Water is super clean, super clean.
Right, Shark River. We call Shark River because of COVID-19. We can't
Yeah.
go in the river. That's why it's so clean.
It's so clean, eh? We just take one
Yeah,
stop.
but it's the first time I see Shark River. So nice and calm.
Yes, it's nice and calm and
And
clean.
the parking lot, nothing there.
Empty.
Yeah.
Let's see on this side. Next side of Shark River. So we in Shark River. Water crystal clear. And what you all have to say about Shark River?
Longer,
Ka-
the reason they call it Shark River was Because sharks used to come in here long time.
Okay, I want
Then
people,
high tide came up.
yeah, I want people to see the sharks eat them.
Hunt and kill.
Oh, all right,
That's why
nice.
they don't come again.
We right on top and we there.
But some still might come still do.
Have a big tree trunk across the water.
Yeah. High tide
Yeah.
used to come and cover that and they used to swim over.
Okay, nice.
That's on that's it wasn't there long.
Yeah. So they set that trap overnight. The other trap we set in Grande Riviere River, they didn't catch anything. So we come by this little spring here and we set the trap here. So they're now pulling it in to see if they catch anything. Have anything? Lift it up and see. Nothing?
Catch one now. What's that is?
Die the bait.
How big the bait is?
Yeah, a piece of wabin.
Next time that's there. You know what's going on? I'll put it over here.
In the rocks.
The water must settle.
There's some mountain mullet right there swimming. I don't know if you can see it. So, can't taste it already. What is this here? I think this is called as one finger.
That one kind of ripe.
Yeah, taste it. How it is?
Sour.
And pick something. He can't climb. Look, help him. Go and help him. He can't lift up that by himself, Nick. Go and help him. Let me see the rocking fishing boys pick something. Gotta help him. He can't. He go come down with it. Two of the car, all of them help each other. So two of them trying to pick something right now. Let me see them. They're still trying. Use the light road then. The car go on free light road. Car go pick something.
They're coming now. Come on, short that one.
Get a fishing rod and throw it out.
Yeah, tight.
So we are kind of up in a tree here. I know he's trying to pick orange. Or grapefruit. Oh gosh, it fall. And then we have Kyle mommy beating the tree. I know what she's trying to do.
Yeah,